Welcome to AM Auto One 2025 Suzuki RM85, the ultimate 85cc race machine. Epic motocross soundtrack, slow motion shots of riders preparing at the track, helmets on, engines revving, dirt flying. Narrator, energetic and inspiring. In the world of youth motocross, one name has stood the test of time, a bike that's helped shape champions and ignite countless racing careers. This is the 2025 Suzuki RM85, a machine born from racing heritage, refined through decades of competition, and built to deliver pure two-stroke adrenaline. Introduction. Legacy. Panoramic shots of the RM85 lineup with Suzuki racing history clips. The Suzuki RM series has dominated dirt tracks for decades. From grassroots riders to future legends, the RM85 has always been the weapon of choice in the 85cc category. And for 2025, Suzuki has taken this proven platform and sharpened it further, creating a dirt bike that balances raw power with precise handling for young riders hungry for victory. Aggressive motocross styling. Close-ups of bodywork, decals, frame yellow, black color scheme shimmering in sunlight. The 2025 RM85 inherits Suzuki's bold motocross DNA, echoing the looks of its bigger brothers, the RMZ 250 and RMZ 450, with sharp plastics, aggressive lines, and striking factory graphics. This mini motocrosser is unmistakably race-ready. The ergonomics are slim and compact, allowing riders to grip the bike easily and maneuver effortlessly through challenging track sections. 3. Engine performance. Dynamic engine rev shots, exhaust crackling, rider launching from the gate. Narrator, passionate tone. At its core, the RM85 packs an 84.7cc, liquid-cooled two-stroke single-cylinder engine, legendary for its explosive power delivery. The high-revving motor is tuned to provide strong low-end torque for quick starts, a smooth mid-range for control, and a screaming top end for maximum speed on straights. Coupled with a precisely spaced 6-speed gearbox, riders can stay in the sweet spot of power through every jump, corner, and straightaway. Suspension handling. Slow-motion shots of jumps, landings, and cornering at high speed. Motocross is all about control, and the RM85 delivers with Showa inverted forks at the front and a fully adjustable rear monoshock at the back. This setup absorbs brutal landings, whoops, and ruts with ease, while maintaining stability and precision. The lightweight steel frame adds confidence, offering predictable handling for riders pushing their limits. 5. Brakes, wheels, tires. Close-ups of hydraulic disc brakes gripping through dirt, aggressive tires cutting into soil. Stopping power is crucial in racing. The RM85 comes equipped with hydraulic disc brakes front and rear, providing reliable, fade-free braking even in the most demanding conditions. Paired with a 17-inch front wheel and 14-inch rear wheel, wrapped in knobby motocross tires, the RM85 achieves the perfect balance of agility and stability. 6. Rider ergonomics. Comfort. Teen riders hopping on and off, adjusting stance mid-air, racing through corners. The bike's narrow seat, tank design, and low weight make it perfect for younger riders transitioning to competitive motocross. Whether they're hitting their first double jump or battling for the whole shot, the RM85's compact ergonomics help boost rider confidence and reduce fatigue over long motos. 7. Race-proven heritage target audience. Clips of young riders training, podium celebrations, and Suzuki factory racing footage. This isn't just a beginner's dirt bike, it's a race-proven platform that's launched countless careers. Ideal for riders aged 11 to 16 who are serious about motocross, the 2025 RM85 bridges the gap between youth bikes and full-size race machines, preparing the next generation for bigger classes and faster bikes. 8. Key specifications overview. On-screen graphics and cinematic overlay. Engine, 84.7cc, 2-stroke, liquid-cooled. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Front suspension, Showa 37mm inverted telescopic fork. Rear suspension, fully adjustable monoshock. Brakes, front-rear hydraulic discs, front wheel, rear wheel, 17-inch, 14-inch in weight, approx 161 pounds, 73 kilograms. Seat height, 33.5 inches, 850 mm. Fuel capacity, 1.3 gallons, 5 liters. Epic montage of race starts, jumps, and finishes. Suzuki logo appears. Narrator, motivating tone and so on. The 2025 Suzuki RM85 isn't just another mini motocrosser, it's a stepping stone to greatness. A bike that combines explosive power, razor-sharp handling, and Suzuki's racing legacy in a lightweight package. Whether you're chasing championships or just starting your journey in motocross, the RM85 is built to make every lap unforgettable. Ready to dominate the track? The 2025 Suzuki RM85 is waiting for you. Fade out with dirt bike revving and Suzuki logo. Goodbye.